You know, the thing with not just with designers, but also with, anyone who is dealing with a lot of creative work, they always face this situation wherein a time comes wherein they say that they don't have any idea how to do this specific design and how to go about this specific business idea. I have had the same struggle, but I came up with some solution which can really help anyone do take better decision in terms of design, business ideas, or anything. Anything, it doesn't matter. So I have basically two modules wherein first you think about it, that is called design thinking, and second where you uh, have a strategy to design something. So basically, in design thinking, you have to first empathize, empathy, wherein you understand what is the requirement, how do you understand that requirement, and then define. You define that requirement according to what you understand of the project, what you understand of the business, and then you ideate. Ideate is like you visualize of the pattern of the idea that uh, how it should look like in terms of layout, in terms of flow, in terms of architecture, and then you have prototype. Prototype, you sketch that idea, you sketch what you have in your mind, you do it on paper, you do it on some tool, and then you bring those ideas into test. You test with your team, you test with your manager, you test with your client, and you won't believe it becomes easier for approval and anything when you have put in the visualization in their mind. And after that, you have, especially for designers, you decide your brand colors, you decide the typography, you play with those 9 position grid layout, you play with jet pattern layout, and you won't believe the last workshop I did. Usually, it used to take 2 to 3 hours for a design, and they did that design in 30 minutes. So let's go through this course. Let's understand the strategy and design thinking, and I hope you will save a lot of time.